Your organization runs on mobility, and mobility runs on batteries. At GTS, we consider ourselves battery and charger experts. Our engineers do all their own R&D, manufacturing, and certifying of our high-performance products. Creativity and innovation are a daily occurrence at GTS. Bad batteries can cause big problems, affecting labor, services, and battery costs. Bad batteries are impossible to identify, until now. Test and Replace provides accuracy. It enables companies to easily and efficiently identify, replace, and recycle batteries right on site. Battery color coding provides simplicity. Color-coded batteries allow organizations to quickly observe the aging of their mobile battery populations without any hassle or additional costs, which can enhance and streamline operations. GTS will replace your aging batteries with, say, new blue batteries. And as those blue batteries age over time, they're replaced with new green batteries, and so on. Battery color coding provides a simple solution to easily identify a mobile device battery's age and warranty status. Batteries as a Service provides predictability. For a flat monthly fee, GTS will ensure that all of your mobile device batteries are always working, eliminating inventory tracking, budget forecasting, warranty tracking, procurement planning, and recycling distractions, so all you have to worry about is the task at hand. Batteries are an environmentally hazardous material that need to be disposed of properly. GTS offers a free and easy battery recycling program for its clients. Just fill up the provided box, call, and it will be picked up from your facility. GTS also offers financial reimbursement for recycled batteries. We're proud to work with some of the top retail and logistics organizations in the world. To learn more about our products and managed services, contact us today.